Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
CEO Strategies for Neurodiversity, Insights into Expert Reports. The business focus on diversity and inclusion leads to a powerful new concept, neurodiversity. This strategy is evolving into a business imperative for organizations to create more inclusive workplaces, tap new sources of talent in a tight labor market, and perform in today's challenging macroeconomic environment. In 1987, President Reagan recognized March as Developmental Awareness Month, and since then companies have made great strides to support neurodivergent employees. Neurodivergence represents the spectrum of variation in cognitive function. It is defined as a set of developmental, learning and mental health conditions, including dyslexia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and autism spectrum disorder. People with these experiences have unique skills and perspectives, but all too often are from the workforce excluded or underemployed. Fostering neurodiversity can bring this talent to help organizations achieve key benefits. Research suggests that teams with neurodivergent professionals in some roles can be 30% more productive than those without them. Effectively incorporating neurodiversity can improve customer confidence, employee engagement and productivity, according to a Bank of America report, and it is especially important at a time when nearly 70% of employers worldwide are reporting difficulties filling vacancies. Measures for integrative workplaces also strengthen the company's positioning in the areas of the environment, social affairs and corporate governance. So how can employers better promote workplaces that enable neurodiverse employees to thrive? The 2022 CHRO Insights Series report, conducted by One Mind at Work, surveyed a coalition of chief human resource officers, academics and day consultants from across industries to create a resource for leaders to drive neurodiversity strategy in their organizations to use. Develop recruitment processes for neurodiversity. Experts recommend involving existing neurodiverse employees in the hiring process from the start. Deliberate hiring practices can open up jobs for neurodiverse individuals for whom traditional interview processes pose a barrier. Skills-based interviews, unlike traditional interviews, can better match people with the right role. This approach should also be described in clear language in the description of the role and the hiring process. Finally, it is important to educate recruiters and hiring managers. Take precautions for neurodivergent people. Adjustments can better support employees with different needs, including different sensory needs, communication needs, processing differences, and social environment. Neurodivergent people often benefit from flexible or hybrid work, office accommodation, and freedom of choice in their work environment. Once these are in place, highlighting neurodivergent workers can normalize program and service usage. Engage senior management to drive adoption. Clear communications from leaders can also have a significant impact on creating accessible workspaces. Managers can model transparency around failures, share neurodiversity experiences, and demonstrate commitment to action in inclusive neurodiverse workspaces. Leaders can also create neurodiversity awareness at all levels and share work externally in business forums. Access external resources to effectively engage affected communities. Organizations may need external expert guidance to design and implement an effective neurodiversity strategy. You can draw on a growing ecosystem of expert advice, specialized workplace design, publications and case studies. Measure impact to make meaningful progress. Tracking the impact of a neurodiversity strategy is central to aligning work with organizational goals. Experts recommend conducting internal assessments and engagement surveys to gather feedback and address organizational needs to ensure progress over time. Additionally, there is growing support from leading employers to include mental health and neurodiversity in ESG metrics. Defining these metrics will hold organizations accountable and foster a happier, healthier workforce.